What's up, jammers? How are you doing? Today, my buddy over here will be since Christmas is almost here. So I will let my buddy buy anything for gems. So let's start. So the rules are, I will buy you anything for gems, but you cannot use the My Shop Explorer or the Sapphire Shop. You can go around Jama asking jammers if they want to sell anything, or go to your bud's shop. I will buy you free items. Start now. Okay, so first she went to Mint Chevere. Maybe she's buying like the items first, okay? Let's see where she went. Oh, she went into the Cocoa Hut. Let's see what she's about to buy. Oh, she's not here. I guess now she's going back out to Mint Chevere. What does she mean? I'm gonna ask her right now. Oh, she's not answering. She went to Mint Chevere again. Let's see. So she wants the earmuffs now, but I don't know what color she wants. Let me see. Okay, she wants the blue one. Okay, over here. Is this? She just wants the. Let me ask her. So she wants to buy these normal ones. Okay, let me go check out. And we now got the earmuffs. Here is your earmuffs. So right here. Next, she went to Jama Township. Maybe the clothes shop or where? I don't know. Let's see where she's up to. Okay, she's over there. So she went into the shop over here. So she's planning to buy clothes again. Not the items like me. Oh, yum. It's a flower bracelet. She wants this one. She wants the normal green one again. Lewis flower bracelets over here. And she wants the green one. Okay, we got the item. Let's trade it to her. I'm gonna give this to her, and she's gonna accept the trade. Okay, so last item, she will be going to, or she's gonna stay here, I guess. The leaf skirt. She wants the orange leaf skirt. It looks like it's in the back. Oh yes, here. So I guess this is the orange one. Yes, it's this one. Let's go ahead and buy the item. I'm gonna give this to her. And accept the trade. That's it. Thanks for watching, jammers. Merry Christmas to all jammers, and stay tuned. Bye.